Hi, I'm Konstantin. Imagine you're stuck at work and you don't know what to do next. Or maybe you're thinking about an idea and are kicking around some options. Or maybe you're looking for inspiration. Wouldn't it be great to be able to talk to a world-class mentor and discuss your ideas and your thoughts and your problems with them in today, right now? So this is the idea behind the mentor deck, which is a new thing by Seth Godin that we are going to check out right now. So here's the mentor deck. Here's a nice packaging. I like the red telephone metaphor here because it's sort of like taking this telephone and calling someone for help. And inside the box, there's a deck of cards. Look like this. And it starts with a bit of a disclaimer. Remember, AI isn't built or endorsed by the people involved. You're talking to a computer that is looking for patterns, not a person. Act accordingly. With that out of the way, I'm a beta person, so there's a beta thank you card. Here are the actual mentor cards. So as you can see, people from history or from well-known fields, concepts like adoption and chasms, and you can pick any card. You also see some topics below the name. So if you don't know who this person is, you can sort of check out their topic at the bottom. And you can pick any of these cards. Let's actually pick Seth Godin's own card, which is here, right? You can pick any of these cards. And when you turn this around, there's a QR code, which will take you to Claude AI. And what happens is that scanning the QR code takes you to an artifact that has been created using Claude, and that artifact basically knows everything that Seth Godin has ever written, and the books he read, and all of the others, of course, and kind of uses this background of this person to be a mentor for you, and then you can engage with them. So let's try this out. I have my phone here, and I'm in QR code scanning mode. So let's scan this QR code. And as you can see, it takes us right to Claude, loads up the artifact, and there's a bit of a disclaimer here. And now we can start talking to our virtual version of Seth Godin here. What are you working on is the first question. So since Seth is a marketing strategy expert, why don't we ask a marketing strategy question like, how can I create a marketing strategy for my YouTube channel? There you go. And then we send this in, and then a virtual version of Seth is going to give us an answer and basically engage in a conversation with us. So it starts with, before we dive into strategy, let's get clear on something fundamental. What change are you trying to create in the world through your YouTube channel? Yada, yada. As you can see here, this is very specific to my question, and I can continue the back and forth. At the end, there are some specific questions designed to get deeper into the topic, like what is my channel about? And through this artifact in Claude, I can now talk to a virtual version of Seth Godin as if he was right here with me and discussing these topics with me. Now, lots of people to choose from. As you can see here, we have not only Seth, we have Gandhi, we have a cartoonist person, like if we want to sort of use cartoons to get more creative. If we are stuck, there is some breaking a cycle methodology in here. We can talk to Charles Darwin and other cool people. I've read a lot of books about most of these, so I'm very excited to explore conversations with these people. But the other thing is, since we are all nerds here, you can do one more thing. You can actually go into the Claude AI app and you can click on Customize. And what happens is that this will allow you to change and customize this particular artifact. Now we can take a look at this on my monitor here and see how it looks like, because since this is an artifact, you can actually click on the top here, and this will take you to the actual artifact on your desktop, because now we can click here to see the actual source code. As you can see, this is a React app, and we can check out the specific prompts that have been used to create this mentoring experience, like important conversation rules. And there are some prompts are more specific to the personality. Let's find the one that is related to Seth, which is here at the very top. You are a marketing coach inspired by Seth Godin's approach to remarkable marketing and meaningful work. Engage with users, and then there's a long sentence basically priming Claude to think like Seth and give you this particular specific experience that only a Seth Godin marketing coach can give you. So I hope you enjoyed this, and this thing here is an experiment. This is actually a beta version of the deck that I'm playing with. You can check out the Kickstarter campaign that Seth is launching, and maybe get your own deck, and I'll add some links to this video so you can check it out in more detail. Thank you.